Today at Contra Costa Powersports, we have a 2007 Suzuki GSX-R600. This bike has approximately 28,200 miles and is offered for $44.99 here at Contra Costa Powersports. This is a great mid-range Supersport by Suzuki. This one, in addition to the stock features, has a nice fender eliminator kit on the back, a Yoshimura carbon fiber exhaust, rear sets, rear spools, frame sliders right there, adjustable levers, custom Gixxer bar ends, and a smoked screen. This thing is loaded with very desirable add-ons. In addition, GSX-R600 is just an awesome, quick, fast bike. The bike's been gone through our service department. We did an oil change and a safety check on it, and she's all dialed in and ready to go. We can provide financing as well as an extended warranty on this bike. Check us out on the web at ContraCostaPS.com, where at any given time we'll have 35 to 40 quality pre-owned bikes just like this one.